Big disclaimer, a new, significantly improved version of this is going to be dropping very, very soon. When I've been doing execution on these videos, I've been right-clicking and saying execute from selected. Not the most user-friendly thing to build out my scene. So what I actually want to show you is how to use the build view and the start points and even some breakpoints. So I'm going to grab this imports to node, tag it as a start point. This populates my build view. So now I've got access to this play button here or this global play button here, and that will fire off the graph much faster and simpler and easier. And you can see that it builds the graph. Now I can also add additional start points. And since my import will be grabbed, and this also is changing very soon, how it'll handle imports and namespaces. But I can come in here and target my torus node and fire this off. And now I should have like 8 torus nodes sitting here in my scene that I built as a result of that. So this build view is pretty fantastic. It shows you a linear build sequence of what's exactly going to happen on a really complicated graph. This thing is fantastic. The other thing that I wanted to quickly point out is that we can add breakpoints. So let's say that before I build my last row of objects, I want to add a breakpoint right here. So now I can execute this graph and it'll hit that breakpoint at spheres 2, and you can see that it's only built those first 2 scenes. So resuming and editing is coming very quickly, so I don't want to spend too much time on this, but it's actually going to be super great. To clean all these things up, I can wipe the breakpoints, I can wipe out my start points and just have one nice clean start point in the scene. Great. All right, thanks a lot.